Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to contact DHgate customer service. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to dhgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking similar to this one. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, of course you can go and register to DHgate. If guys you do not know how to do that, you can always find a video on our channel. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically we have the DHgate profile where we have the search bar. We also have all of the categories, and in the top right corner guys, we have everything about your profile. We have the recent viewed, favorites, and your shopping cart at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact DHgate customer support service. So it is pretty easy. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do is drag your mouse to the top right corner of this screen. And here you can see four options. You can see buy protection, customer service, save more, and the currency and shipping and language changer. What we of course need is the customer service. Hover over it, click on customer service. And here guys, when you click there, you have all of these help that you can go and browse through and see what you need. And here you have online service at the end. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys helps us grow our channel a lot. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything as I said for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.